Okay, as you can see here, this is the transition area. We were able to get a flow established on the sewer. We did run the laundry tub to try and flush as much debris out of the sewer as we could. We also did flush the storm. We will go ahead and, this will be our final televise out, we will go ahead and locate the main and also where the 45s drop down and the transition of the sewer as we pull back. As you can see, the sewer does have heavy root infiltration throughout. It does make it hard for us to determine the condition of the piping, being we don't have a good visual. As you can see, we do have some silt debris here at the bottom. You can see we're going through some heavy root infiltration at the joints. We were able to get a good portion of the water to go down. The sewer was backed up upon our arrival. Again, we will go ahead and televise all the way to the city main. We will locate the main location. We believe it is on the other side of the street. Here you can see this is an area where we still hold water. This is where there's 45 offset. We do have heavy root infiltration. As you can see, we have a 45 there and here as well, both with heavy roots. We're trying to pull back slow. You can see there's the heavy roots and the reason we hold water here. When we pull back, we will locate this area as well. But you can see we have heavy root infiltration beyond that point. Have marked our push rod to take a rough idea of a measurement for a liner. Here you can see this is where we turn down to the city main. We are going to pause our recording at this time. Okay, we have located, sewer is middle of the road. We're getting a location of about 18 foot deep. It is a combination storm and sanitary. As you can see, we have the tap from across the street there. We are going to pull back to the area where we have the offset. We believe that's going to be in the green belt between the sidewalk and the street. As you can see, we do have some root infiltration downstream of this area. Okay, as you can see, this is the area where we still hold water. Again, we're going to pause here to locate. Okay, we have located this. This area here is between the sidewalk and the street. It's right where there's two new flags, the sidewalk. Those would have to be removed if the sewer was to be excavated. The higher part of the sewer is a depth of 8 feet. The sewer at the city main is at a depth of about 14 feet in the middle of the road. Now we will continue to pull back. Again, you can see the heavier root infiltration. We will pause one more time. We will locate and mark the transition area. We have also tape marked our push rod to do measurement for a liner as well. Again, you can see we have heavy root infiltration here. The closer we get towards the house, again, a recommendation would be to at least do a high pressure water jet to at least get all the roots clear and a better look at the sewer at that point to see if there's any structural issues, as we don't get a full view of the sewer, nor can we run a centering guide due to the heavy root infiltration. Okay, you can see here's our transition. We're going to go ahead and mark this area out in the yard too. Okay, we have located this area. We believe it's directly in front of the front porch. There's a possibility that the cast iron might even be under the front porch to where this area here might not be able to be excavated to. We are going to pull back and we will mark our cast iron as well. Here you can see is our storm tie-in. We did put a flag right at the start of the front porch. We are getting a good signal there, but again, we're not 100%. It could possibly be slightly under the porch.